Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm going to Ikea. Anyway, this is located at Yas Island. The Ikea store at Yas Island was built in 2010, a complete family destination that served the Ikea concept with its full-service warehouse. The 33,000 square meter store with a total sales area of 19,150 square meter will be the largest IKEA store in MENA region and serve nearly 1.3 million visitors in the year of operations. So, punta tayo dito sa may food sections. So guys, for the salmon, it's 65 dirhams. For the beef meatballs, 35 dirhams.
And the sauce.
Yeah.
For the meatballs.
And then, the sausages, is around 29 dirhams. Excuse me, I'm gonna show the price. This one, guys, you know the Jollibee? 19 dirhams only. So, ito po yung pinunta namin dito. Bibili kami ng footlong, meatballs, at saka yung sauce. Ito naman yung mga pastry, mga biscuits. These are the blueberry jams and different flavors of jams. So, let's just choose. So guys, ito yung mga roller, 5 dirhams. These are 9 dirhams, pero 4 pieces na siya. Wow! Daming binili ng kasama ko.
No, this is not for me.
She's mayaman.
This is not for me.
For who?
May nagpapigil lang. Diba?
Alfred? This washing brush costs 1 dirham. So in Philippine money, it's 14 pesos. Guys, mag-lunch muna tayo. Pili muna ako ng kakainin ko kasi kakagutom eh. No, sige, mag-fried prawns.
Ilang dito lang peraso?
Ano lang, yung isang two fried prawns. Yung 8. Ito na po yung food namin. Bali, mozzarella steak. Tapos, fried prawn. So guys, this is what we ordered. This is mozzarella cheese steak, fried prawns, and even fried rice. So, come on, let's eat. Ito po yung mga frying pan dito. Anyway, shout out dun sa kapitbahay namin. Ito na kayo bumili ng frying pan. Bili tayo ng whisk para sa dalgona coffee. maganda po bumili dito ng mga gamit sa bahay kasi affordable. Let's proceed here. This is the area for frames and decorations. Okay, so let's go on this section. As we can see, there are lots of artificial plants and flowers here. Anyway, it's a mix. There are also plants talaga. Actually, yung mga bonsai. We have seen a lot of plants. It's actually plants are a natural humidifier. Anyway, so this is the cake that we bought earlier from Ikea. So come on guys, let's taste it.